Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching ITI Nimi channel Electrician. In this video, I am going to explain what is energy, what is work, what is potential, what is voltage, what is the potential difference and what is electromotive force. Okay, let's start with what is energy. What is energy? So friends, to understand the what is voltage, first we should have to know what is energy and what is work. So for that, I am just simply explaining that what is the definition of energy. Energy means capacity of doing work. To do a work, we need a energy, right? So definition of energy is capacity of doing work. Next, what is work? Okay, the intention of explaining what is work is to understand the voltage only, right? For that, I simply put the formula of work. What is the formula of work is work equals to force into distance. The force is measured in Newton. The distance is measured in meter. Okay, so we can say that the unit of work is Newton meter, right? So one more unit of work is 1 joule. Okay, we can say that the unit of work is Newton meter or joule, right? In exam, one more question will come. What is 1 joule? Okay, what is 1 joule means you can say that 1 joule means 1 Newton meter. Okay, this type of simple questions are also asking in exam. And one more type question will come. 1 Newton meter means 1 Newton meter means how much joules. Okay, this type questions also coming. Okay, you can say that 1 Newton meter means 1 joule. Right? This is clear, right? The my intention is just to you recall, just to you remember the what is energy, what is work, to understand the voltage only. Okay. Now the real concept is uh, revealed, right? So what is potential? Okay, this word is also coming. Potential means energy. Okay, energy means potential. Potential means energy. Okay, these are the three basic terms I have completed to understand the voltage only. Okay, now let's start what is voltage. So this is the real lecture today. This is the today's real lecture. Start from voltage only. Okay, energy, work, potential. This is only for basic. Okay, the real video is start from voltage. Okay, so what is voltage? The amount of work needed to move a unit of charge from one point to another point is called an electric potential or voltage. Here, the two terms are audible. One is electric potential, another one is voltage. Okay, don't get confused. Voltage means electric potential. Electric potential means voltage. Right? These are the both are same. Now, let's come to definition. The definition of voltage. So in this figure, you can see that the girl is there. Assume that the girl is a voltage, right? So second thing is here, this is the weight, or we can say that some object is there. Okay, this object we can say that this is the electric charge. Okay, the unit of electric charge is coulomb. Okay, I already explained in last video. Okay, this is the electric charge. So the task of voltage is to move this electric charge from point A to point B. Okay. For that, voltage needs to work. Okay. So how much work needed? Okay. How much work required for the voltage to move this electric charge from one point to another point is called voltage, right? The definition is clear. What is voltage? The amount of work needed to whom? To her, to voltage, right? The amount of work needed for voltage to move electric charge from point A to point B, or we can say that from one point to another point, is called voltage. Okay friends, this is clear. In normal language we can say that work. Okay, in electrical language we can say that voltage. Okay, this is very important concept, because in next page we can see that what is potential difference, what is electromotive force. Okay, to understand the potential difference and to understand the electromotive force, first we should have to understand the concept of voltage. Okay, if the concept of voltage is clear, then you can automatically potential difference and electromotive force concept also clear, right? This is voltage is clear. Now what is the unit of voltage? Okay, what is the unit of voltage? The voltage is measured in voltage, right? The unit of voltage is volt, or we can say that the voltage is measured in volt. This is point number 1. Next, to measure a voltage, which meter is used, or we can say that by which meter a voltage can be measured, right? The answer is the voltage is measured by using voltmeter. Okay, this is the answer. Next, what is the symbol of voltage? How voltage is looks like, right? The symbol of voltage is V. Okay, V for voltage. So next question is, to measure a voltage in the circuit, how voltmeter is connected in the circuit, right? This question also asked in the exam. To measure a voltage, voltmeter is connected in parallel. Okay, this is very important point. To measure the voltage, voltmeter should be connected in parallel. Okay, this is third point. Next is, what is the circuit symbol of voltage? Okay, some symbol is there. Now I already told that the symbol of voltage is V. Okay, what is the circuit symbol of voltage? Okay, if it's a circle and inside V and having two terminals, this type of symbol we can say that this is the voltage. Okay, this is the circuit symbol of voltage. Now question is, what is 1 volt? Right, I already explained what is voltage. What is voltage? The amount of work needed to move the electric charge from point 1 to another point, from one point to another point, is called voltage. Now question is, what is 1 voltage? Okay, same, what is 1 voltage means to 1 joule of work needed. Okay, the 1 joule of work needed to move the 1 coulomb of electric charge, okay, is called 1 voltage. This is very important definition is there, because here you are learning what is 1 voltage. Okay, in next page you will learn what is 1 potential difference. Okay, also you will learn what is one electromotive force. Okay, same definition will be repeated again and again. Okay, so you should have to first understand what is 1 voltage, right? I will repeat again. 1 voltage means 1 joule of work done. Okay, 1 joule of work done divided by, this is the divided by, to the 1 coulomb of charge, or simply we can say that 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. Okay, this is the formula of 1 volt. Okay, I already explained what is the joule. This is the unit of work is joule. Okay, what is 1 joule? 1 joule means 1 Newton meter is the 1 joule, right? Let's go to next. Next is, what is potential difference? Okay, this is very important. Potential difference means, potential difference is the difference in voltage across any 2 points in the circuit. Okay, I will explain first what is circuit. Circuit means this is the circuit. Okay, 2 resistors are there, 1 voltmeter, 2 resistors are there, they are connected in a circuit. Okay, this is called circuit. So second point is any 2 points. Okay, between any 2 points. 2 points means, see here, this is 2 ohm resistance resistor is there. The resistor having 2 points. This is point 1 and this is point 2. Okay, this is point 1 and this is 2.2. Okay, this is, we can say that this is 2 points. Same here, the 3 ohm resistors having 2 terminals. This is point A and this is point 2. Okay, similar, this 5 volt voltmeter connected between the 2 points. Okay, this is point A and this is point B. Okay, this is, we can say that any 2 points. Any 2 points means this is the 2 points between the 2 ohm resistor or between the 3 ohm resistor or any 2 points. This is called any 2 points. Okay, the 2 points, you understand, any 2 points, right? Next is the difference in voltage. Okay, what is voltage? See here 2 volt is there. Between 2 points, voltage is 2 volt. Between 2 points, the voltage is 3 volt. The between 2 points, the voltage is 5 volt. Okay, this is clear. Potential difference is the difference in voltage, means the voltage is differ is here. The voltage is 3 volt here, the voltage is 2 volt here, the voltage is 5 volt here. Means different voltages are there between the 2 points. Okay, here different voltage, here also different voltage between the 2 points, here also difference voltage between the 2 points. Okay, the difference in voltage across any 2 points in the circuit is called potential difference. Understand, friends? This is very important concept is there. If you understand this concept, then you will understand what is electromotive force. Next will come. I will repeat again. Okay, potential difference means the potential difference is the difference in voltage across any 2 points. Okay, this point 1 and point 2. Okay, this is a voltage difference here. Here voltage is also one more voltage is there. Here one more voltage is there. Okay, this is the difference in voltage. So potential difference in the voltage, the potential difference is the difference in voltage across any 2 points in the circuit is called potential difference. Okay, this is clear. So next, the potential difference is measured in voltage. Earlier, the voltage is measured in volt. The unit of voltage is volt. Same potential difference also measured in volt. The unit of potential difference is volt. The unit of voltage also a volt. Okay, this is clear. Next, the potential difference is measured by voltmeter. Right? Earlier, the voltage also measured by voltmeter. Potential difference is also measured by voltmeter. Okay, this is clear. Next, the circuit symbol of potential difference is plus and minus, point 1 and point 2. Okay, point 1 and point 2, point 1 and point 2. Okay, this is the 2 points. Okay, this is the circuit symbol of potential difference. In point 1, the potential difference is 2 volt. Another between 2 points, the potential difference is 2 volt. Another between 2 points, the potential difference is 2 volt. Okay, the sum of potential difference is 6 volt. Okay, you understand this concept. Next, what is 1 volt potential difference? Okay, in last we learned that what is 1 volt voltage. Same thing, what is 1 volt potential difference? This is also same definition. 1 joule of work done to the 1 coulomb of electric charge. Okay, same potential difference, voltage, these two definitions are same, but the term used in the situation is different. Okay, the voltage situation is different, the potential difference situation is different, but the definitions are there, na? The definitions are same. Okay, what is 1 volt potential difference? 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. is the 1 volt potential difference. Next, what is electromotive force? Okay, this is very important. Electromotive force is the source of electrical energy which drives the electrons in the circuit. Okay, what is electromotive force? Electromotive force is the source of electrical energy. Suppose in our house the light is glowing, the TV is playing, right? The everything is working on the electricity, right? When electricity gone means the power is cut off. So then what we will do? We will switch on the battery. Okay, the inverter is there na. We will switch on the battery. This battery is there na. The external source is there na. That battery is called electromotive force. Okay, what is inside the battery? It's a source of energy. Source of electrical energy is stored in the battery. Okay, there is a electrical energy stored in the battery. Okay, the storage electrical energy in the battery, okay, is called electromotive force, right? What is the electrical energy stored in the battery is there now? What it will do? It will do the same function what voltage was doing. Okay, the function of voltage. What is the function of voltage? Voltage is to move the electrical energy from one point to another point, right? The same work, the same job is done by electromotive force. Okay, what they will doing? Which drive the electrons in the circuit. Okay, the electrons are there now. It will shift. It will move the electrons from one point to another point. Same job done by the battery. Yeah, we can say that is the electromotive force. When there is no battery, then we can say that is a voltage. Okay, so friends, this is very important topic is there. Okay, the difference between the voltage, potential difference and electromotive force. Okay, I can say that the voltage and electromotive force both are same. Okay, both are same, but the situation is different. Okay, the situation is different. Suppose there is a power in the house, we can say that the voltage is moving the electrons in the circuit. Okay, when power is cut off, when there is no electricity in the house, the same job who is doing? Electromotive force is doing. Okay, what is the what electromotive force is doing? Same. What voltage is doing? Same job is done by electromotive force. Okay, this is the concept of voltage and electromotive force. So what is potential difference? Again here same point. The voltage between the 2 points is potential difference, right? What is the voltage here between 2 points, and what is the voltage here? Plus and minus is there na? These 2 points. What is the voltage here, and what is voltage between these 2 points? What is the voltage between these 2 points? This is the potential difference, right? I think you clear the concept, right? If you don't clear the concept, you can message me. I will explain personally, right? Next, the circuit symbol of the electromotive force is, this is the circuit symbol, battery. Okay, simply we can say that battery or cell, that is the electromotive force. The important formula is electromotive force equals to terminal voltage plus potential difference. Okay, the sum of the terminal voltage plus potential difference, the total is electromotive force. This is very important formula. In exam, this formula will come. Okay, the problems will come on this formula. Okay, electromotive force equals to terminal voltage plus potential difference. Okay, what is the potential difference here? Potential difference between 7 ohm resistor, potential difference between 5 ohm resistor. This is the potential difference. What is the terminal voltage here? Terminal voltage means the voltage between the terminal, at the terminal. Terminal voltage means the voltage at the terminal. Okay, after battery. Okay, plus and minus. This is the terminal voltage. Okay, what is the terminal voltage means? The terminal voltage is the total circuit voltage at the terminal is the terminal voltage, right? So This is the battery voltage is electromotive force. So electromotive force equals to terminal voltage plus potential difference. Okay, this is very important formula. Please remember this formula. So electromotive force is measured in volt. Same here. The voltage is measured in volt. Potential difference is measured in volt. Then electromotive force also measured in volt. Okay, the unit of potential difference, the unit of voltage, the unit of electromotive force, all are as volt. All are measured in volt. Okay, the same units are there. So next is electromotive force is measured by voltmeter. The voltage also measured by voltmeter. The potential difference is also measured by voltmeter, and electromotive force also measured by voltmeter. Okay, this is important. So again repeating, what is 1 volt electromotive force? Okay, I already explained what is 1 volt voltage, what is 1 volt potential difference. Same here, 1 volt electromotive force means 1 joule of work done to the 1 coulomb of charge, right? 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb of charge is the formula of 1 volt EMF, 1 volt potential difference, 1 volt voltage. Okay, please remember this formula also. So friends, in this video we learned 2 important points are there. First one important point is what is 1 voltage, what is 1 potential difference, what is 1 volt electromotive force. Okay, thus the 3 definitions are there having the same formula, 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. Okay, this is point number 1. So second point is electromotive force formula is there electromotive force equals to terminal voltage plus potential difference. Okay, this is point number 2. These 2 points are there we learned from today video. Okay, in next video I will explain what is conductor, what is insulator, what is the semiconductor, and classification of conductors. Okay, what is standard wire gauge and properties of insulation materials. Okay friends. Okay, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and like button also.